Shear stud automatic welding robot can automatically remove rust, locate the weld point, feed the stud and the ceramic furrows, and weld studs on flat, curved, or irregular shaped parts. The robot is controlled by a dedicated software that can import CAD, 2D, or 3D joints, program offline, simulate robot motion, and intelligently correct the deformation of the shaped metal surface. The robot can achieve a cycle time of 16 to 18 seconds for a single gun operation and 9 to 10 seconds for a double gun operation. The shear stud automatic welding robot is a smart and efficient solution for shear stud welding, which can help the customers improve their productivity, quality, and safety while reducing their cost and risk. The robot has been successfully applied in various industries, such as bridge construction, nuclear power island, prefabricated steel structure, boiler, etc., and has reached the domestic leading level of technology. The robot can provide customers with fully automatic, semi-automatic, gantry tap, cantilever tap, and other series of shear stud automatic welding equipment, according to the industry and the site conditions. Shear stud automatic welding robot is a must-have product for anyone who needs to perform shear stud welding on sheet metal components. It is a revolutionary product that changes the game of shear stud welding and creates a win-win situation for the customers and the company. Contact us today to explore how we can cater to your stud welding needs and elevate your welding processes into the era of automation. We are your reliable partner for seamless and efficient stud welding solutions.